Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the outer door handle from a Skoda Yeti 5L. When you open the door, on the inside there'll be a cover and underneath there'll be two torx screws. You unscrew the outer one and it will come to a stop. The black one, you can unscrew and remove it completely if you like. I'm going to first show you the end result, and because it's easy to explain when the handle is off. The second part to removing the handle. Now that we can see inside, what happens is when it's screwed on, this circular piece slots into the lock. Okay, so this is closed position and it slots into the lock over here, that part there. When you unscrew this, you will also need to pull onto this piece to completely release the lock. So pull from there. So unlock position now, as you can see, and that's locked position. So if you're having a hard time, this is what you need to do. And again, unlock. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.